Hey, welcome back to the channel, Love on Two Wheels. I'm your host, Howard Hunt, aka Double H, and I am so excited today. Let me tell you something. Yes, I'm this excited to get my dance on. You know why? I'm gonna tell you why. One, finally, they've been out of stock with these for weeks and actually going on a couple of months. I got a call the other day and said, hey, Howard, guess what? These windshield trims have come in. Do you want them still? Absolutely. I could not wait to get these and put this on this bike today. So that's what we're going to do today. I'll be right back. Let's hit that intro. Hey, welcome back. As you probably noticed, yes, I am a Alabama fan, and for all my Florida fans out there, roll tide. Yes. So you'll see throughout the video, you probably will get trolled just a little bit here and there. It's all in good fun though. I'm sure you'll be doing the same thing. But do you really expect to win? Nah. See, that's my first troll right there. So today we're going to take the Custom Dynamics LED windshield trim and put them on this beautiful bike right here. So we're gonna go ahead and take the windshield off and the vent underneath, and then we'll go ahead and install the windshield trim. This should only be a few minutes, so let's see how it goes. All right, we'll go ahead and take the screws off here. It's just a Phillips screwdriver these are the stock screws on here. Now the trim did come with other fasteners, so we'll be taking these out, putting these to the side, and using what came with the package. So there's 4 here across the front on the Road Glide. So next we've identified which one goes to the right, which one goes to the left. So it's actually just an easy little fix right there, right? And there's a hook on the side that tells you which side it's going to hook onto. So this is going to hook onto the right side, and the other one will be on the left side, very simple. So we'll hook those in together. So I'm going to do one side for you, and then it'll be the same thing on the other end. So you're going to connect the windshield trim with the actual converter harness, male to female. Right? You connect that. Then you'll put this side, when you take all the plastic off, you'll line it up. So the one I have here is actually the right side. So we connected both together. Again, male and female. And you'll connect both parts of the harness, of the converter harness, inside the routing to your lighting. Next, you'll find a place to safely and securely stuff them in here into the. Then what you want to do is you want to put the vent back on top. You'll install this on top of the vents. We'll go from there. Let's take a look. So once you have the harness and the cabling routed properly, now you want to go ahead and insert the vent back onto the frame. And really, it's quite easy. You line it up and you press down. You should hear a small click. All right, next thing to do is just to go ahead and put the windshield back on. Now that you tighten it all down, just take a step back, take a look at it, and wonder in awe of how beautiful this is. And I hadn't even turned the lights on yet. So, as you remember from my other videos, what's the next thing we gotta do? That's right, we gotta conduct a BCM sync. And once we get the sync in, I'll turn the lights off in here and show you exactly what it looks like in the sequential windshield trim. All right, here we go. Now that we've installed, you can see you've got bright white running lights on the windshield trim. Let's take a look at it with the signals. Or we'll just turn the hazards on. How about that? Look at that. Sequential amber lights on the windshield trim. So let's take a whole full look around. So you've got the windshield trim. This is what I've installed from Custom Dynamics so far. The windshield trim, and we'll come back here, and you've also got the low profile bag lights, the Pro Beam mini tail light, as well as the magic strobes. So thank you for coming with me on this journey of the installation. Now, I'm sure there's a few more things I want to put on here. So, like for example, I do want to, because the weather is getting cold, I want to make sure I do put some lowers on here. So I'll probably get lights for that as well too. Keep a lookout for that. In the meantime, thank you for coming by. Love on Two Wheels. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to get new videos each time I put something out there. And thanks to you, I'll be doing a lot more of that as well. All right, Two Wheels down. Peace.